I want you to calmly look at these 10 questions. These 10 questions I will give you and tell me what you think is the correct answer. Just this more like a way of knowing how prepared you are. Since you have been reading, you have been following our channel, let's know how prepared. Just 10 questions. In each of questions, this to this, choose the option nearest in meaning. Nearest in meaning. Pay attention. Oh. The question you are asked to find nearest, not opposite in meaning. No, this one is nearest in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. Some men will continue to cause offenses until they are given a taste of their own medicine. Some men will continue to cause offenses until they are given a taste of their own medicine. What is now the one in italics is medicine. What is the word nearest in meaning to that option? We have A, placated. B, revenged on. C, compensated for. D, cured. Some men will continue to behave the way they are given a test of their own medicine. A, to give a test of their own medicine is what? Nearest in meaning. A, placated. B, revenged on. C, recompensed for. D, cured. Nearest in meaning. No. You may not get all the answers, but just try. You might be surprised that you could get 10 over 10 or 8 over 10. Okibe was rusticated for his derogated remark about the principal. Okibe, I hope it's not the principal, Beppo, Lekki headmaster. Okibe was rusticated for his derogated remark about the principal. Similar meaning of derogated. A, complimentary. B, unsavory. C, unwarranted. D, lockstar. Is it similar meaning of derogatory or derogatory? Is it complimentary or is it unsavory or is it unwarranted or is it lockstar? Pay attention, you watching this video, even if others don't provide the answer, you that is here watching this particular video, I need you to try your best. Don't be afraid. Even if you don't get all of it, even if you get 5 over 10, nobody will beat you. We are all just trying to prepare you to know how good and prepared you are at this particular moment for use of English in your JAMB exam. Justice is difficult to enforce because people are unwilling to accept any loss of sovereignty. Justice is difficult to enforce because people are unwilling to accept any loss of sovereignty. The similar meaning of sovereignty is what? A, if you read your CRS for arts students, you will know that sovereignty is one of those topics, sovereignty of God, and also in government, they also treat sovereignty of the states. Justice is difficult to enforce because some people are unwilling to accept any loss of sovereignty. Similar meaning of sovereignty will be what? A, autonomy. B, position. C, leadership. D, kingdom. What is the similar meaning of sovereignty? A, autonomy. B, position. C, leadership. D, kingdom. 54. There are still virtuous women in our society today. There are still virtuous women in our society today. And the word in italics is virtuous. So the similar meaning of virtuous will be what? A, clever. B, upright. C, devilish. D, intelligent. There are still virtuous women in our society today. Similar meaning of virtuous will it be clever or B, upright, or C, devilish, or D, intelligent? Tell me in the comment section. Question 55. Don't forget that we have done several videos on use of English, on chemistry, physics, economics, government. If you need me to give you access, free access to all the videos we've done on this subject, your first subject, just tell me in the comment section and say, sir, please give me all the videos you've done, and you mention the subject. If you promise to be serious and settle down with your pen and paper and read with the videos, I could give them to you free. 55. The type of response is typical of a lazy teacher. The type of response is typical of a lazy teacher. And the word in italics is typical, T-I-P-I-C-A-L. What is the similar meaning of typical? A, symptomatic. B, characteristic. C. Universal. D. Incontestable. In this statement, the word similar in meaning to typical will be symptomatic, characteristic, universal, and D. Incontestable. We move on. A king is an invertebrate gambler. A king is an inveterate gambler. A king is an inveterate gambler. You know, gambling is bad. If you are gambling, sport gambling, any form of gambling, receive your deliverance now. Receive it. It's bad though, it's bad. So begin to, if you're having that issue and need me to help you to overcome it, let me know. You are delivered now. A king is an inveterate gambler. A selfish and self-centered gambler. B. An extremely unlucky but popular gambler. C. An incurable but fearful gambler. D. A long-time and incorrigible gambler. A king is an inveterate gambler. What statement here is similar in meaning to inveterate? Is it A selfish and self-centered? B. An extremely unlucky but popular gambler. C. An incurable but fearful gambler. D. A long time and incorrigible gambler. If you want to know what the answers to this question are, I will post a video on the answers, but the videos will be only for full members of our channel. If you are not a full member of our channel, if you have not become a full member of Noble Tutorials YouTube channel, you won't see the videos. There are certain videos that I post. The rare videos are for only full members of our channel. If you want me to add, if you want to be a full member, just let me know in the comments so I can send you the link. You just click and become a full member of our YouTube channel. He was too petrified to give the closing remarks at the conference. He was too petrified. What is the similar meaning of petrified? A. Frightened. B. Delighted. C. Agitated. D. Happy. He was too petrified. Similar meaning of petrified. Would it be what? Is it frightened or delighted or agitated or happy? Tell me in the comment section. Okay. Question 58. During a particular time of the day, do you know why I keep dropping videos? I give you videos virtually every single day. I keep doing it because I believe that this year is your year and I want you to claim it. This is the year you will write JAMB and enter school. This is the year you will score 300 and above in your JAMB. Even if others don't score 300 and above, even if there are only few persons that will get 300 and above, you will be one of them. And you will enter school this year. No long talk about it. If you claim it in the comment section. During a particular time of the day, the road shimmers in the heat. During a particular time of the day, the road shimmers in the heat. A. Similar meaning of shimmers. A. Darkens. B. Lightens. C. Shines. D. Beams. Similar in meanings of shimmers in the heat. Is it darkens or lightens or shines or beams? I'm waiting for you. Remember, I'm waiting for you in the comment section. Every human being is vulnerable to communicable diseases. Every human being is vulnerable to communicable diseases. A. What is the similar meaning of vulnerable? V-U-L-N-E-R-A-B-L-E. Vulnerable. Every human being is vulnerable to communicable diseases. That is similar in meaning. A. Liable. B. Lifted. C. Immune. D. Closed. Similar meaning of vulnerable. Is it liable? Is it lifted? Is it immune? Or is it closed? Remember that I'm waiting for you in the comment section. Okay? Mariam looks rather furtive to Jehu. This will be the last question for you. Mariam looks rather furtive to Jehu. I'm waiting for the answer in the comment section. Don't dodge. And if you need me to give you the other videos we've done, let me know. Mariam looks rather furtive to Jehu. A. Intoxicated. B. Unfriendly. C. Sad. D. Sly. We are looking at the similar meaning of furtive. Furtive. F-U-R-T-I-V-E. Mariam looks rather furtive to Jehu. A. Intoxicated. B. Unfriendly. C. Sad. D. Sly. Tell me the answer in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you. If you have not become a full registered member of our YouTube channel, let me know. You can, by subscribing is not enough. go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like this video, go ahead and share this video. But to be a full member, let me know so that I can send you the link to join us officially. All right.